Hello Scrapbookers, this is Megan and I am back today with a pocket page weekly layout. So for this one I am using my Scrapbooking Store Kit from the month of March, and it was a birthday theme. I will leave a link to the Scrapbooking Store down below. I'm not sure that they still have the March kit available, but at least you can go on over there and get a kit if you want a new kit. You can see that I am just cutting down photos from, this was from Helaman's birthday. His birthday is January 26th, and this was actually the weekend before his birthday. He had a couple of friends over and we did cake and presents and they hung out for a little while. One of them ended up staying the night and the other one had to go home. But it was a very interesting birthday party. So Helaman turned 12, and he is that age where they do weird things because they're trying to fit in. So Ashley and I found out that these two kids that he invited to hang out or to come to his birthday party weren't even really his friends. Do you remember that, babe?
Mm-hmm.
When we found out the next day that they weren't actually his friends, we were like, WTF, why did you invite them to our home? And we were kind of glad that they weren't his actual friends because we didn't really like them. They were not good kids. So
one of them's a good kid.
One of them Ashley thinks is a good kid, but neither one of them were treating Helaman very kind. And it was his birthday party. Like, come on, kids. Like, 12-year-old boys are just weird. Weird AF. Anyway, so here you can see I am kind of doing some paper piecing with a lot of the cards on this page today. And you can also see that I was having issues with my my glue gun. I decided to splurge, not really splurge. I'm saying that facetiously because I bought the cheapo tape that everybody tells you is awful, but because the tape costs like $10 now, I went and bought the off-brand because it was like, I think I got 6 of them for $12 and I was like, holy cow. So I have decided I don't think I'm ever going to do that again. But the rest of them have been kind of holding up okay, so who knows, maybe I will do it again. So I used a few of the stickers from the sticker sheet on both of those top cards, and then now I am deciding which way I want all of these photos to go and which pockets. And I am using a lot of those little tag cut apart pieces that was one of the pattern papers from the kit. I'm doing a lot of just moving around. Here I am going to add a little piece of this orange paper to the bottom of that journaling card. I'm not sure why I cut it so short, if it was supposed to be that short or if I did it on accident and I didn't realize it. So I just added that orange polka dot to the bottom of that journaling card and that worked out really well. Like I said, I did a lot of paper piecing on this project. And now I'm going to work on those bottom 2 cards. Wait, I'm just kidding. I am doing this invite. This was the invite that we made for his birthday that he handed out to his friends. He had a couple of friends that I think wanted to come, but they couldn't, and I don't remember why, which was really sad because they were actually good friends, but they couldn't come. So, have your kids ever done anything like that in the name of popularity or being cool? Invited friends to their birthday party that they didn't really have a friendship with. I don't know. I just thought that was the craziest thing ever. So on that card, he was opening his birthday presents. And now I'm going to cut out this little tag that says cool on it. I don't know if I actually put it down there. I don't think I do. Who knows? I'm scrapbooking and doing a million other things at the same time, which is very normal. And now I'm going to do some journaling. I can't even really tell what that is a photo of. I don't know if you guys can see it better. The image on my screen is like 3/4 of the screen, so I can't really tell what it's an image of. But I did some journaling on there. And then I'm going to journal about the cake, I believe, on this journal card. And then I think we're going to be done. I am doing better about journaling right away. And I'm really proud of myself because that was actually one of the things that I wanted to get better at. I'm not sure if that was specifically a goal this year, but that's always been something that I have wanted to be better about doing. And I'm actually doing it this year. Thanks so much for watching. I will see you guys again in the next video. Bye.